DJI has always been at the very top of the drone industry, consistently setting benchmarks with every new release. From professional aerial cinematographers to hobbyist drone flyers, the name DJI is synonymous with cutting-edge technology, stable flight performance, and stunning image quality. Every year, anticipation builds for the company's next big drone, and now all eyes are on the DJI Mini 5 Pro. This new model is already causing waves in the drone community with rumors, confirmed leaks, and most recently, pricing details that seem to finally give us a clearer picture of what's to come. The Mini series has always been about striking a balance, delivering powerful, pro-level features in a lightweight, compact, and legally friendly design under 250 grams. The DJI Mini 5 Pro looks like it's going to take that formula to the next level, with major upgrades that could redefine what's possible in a consumer-friendly drone. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The Mini series is one of DJI's most popular lineups, largely because it caters to both beginners and serious flyers. The original Mavic Mini broke barriers by being under the 250G weight limit, avoiding many strict aviation regulations worldwide, and yet still packing enough power to capture cinematic shots. The Mini 2 made improvements in transmission and camera quality, while the Mini 3 and Mini 3 Pro completely revolutionized the series by introducing vertical shooting, better sensors, and obstacle avoidance, features previously reserved for DJI's larger, more expensive drones. So naturally, the pressure is high for the Mini 5 Pro to once again raise the bar. Based on the most recent leaks and price confirmations, it looks like DJI has some big surprises in store. Let's start with the confirmed price because that's one of the most discussed aspects of this upcoming drone. Recent leaks suggest that the DJI Mini 5 Pro will start at around $999 for the base package, which places it higher than the Mini 3 Pro but still comfortably below DJI's larger flagship drones like the Mavic 4 Pro. This pricing strategy makes sense because the Mini 5 Pro is expected to deliver features that bring it closer to the professional tier, while still remaining accessible to creators, travelers, and enthusiasts who want high performance in a compact form. Considering the kinds of upgrades that are being reported, many users are already saying the new pricing feels justified. Now, let's dive into the stunning new features that are making headlines. One of the biggest improvements is expected in the camera system. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to come with a larger 1-inch sensor, a massive jump from the Mini 3 Pro's smaller sensor. This means much better low-light performance, improved dynamic range, and the ability to capture more cinematic footage with greater clarity and detail. For aerial photographers and videographers, this is huge. It opens up creative opportunities that were previously limited to drones like the Air 2S or Mavic Pro line. Alongside the new sensor, we're hearing about 5.1K video recording at up to 60 frames per second, along with improved 4K slow-motion capabilities. This would be a big deal for content creators who want professional-level footage without the bulk of a large drone. But it doesn't stop there. Another highly anticipated feature is enhanced obstacle avoidance technology. The Mini 3 Pro introduced forward, backward, and downward sensors, making it much safer to fly in complex environments. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to push this further with 360-degree obstacle avoidance, using upgraded sensors